Hello friends, welcome back to SG Tech channel. Today, we are going to see how to install Eclipse on Windows OS. Let's start. Go to browser and navigate to google.com. Type download Eclipse and click here. It will take you to official website of Eclipse. Click on download and it will download Eclipse. Go to Download folder. Click on Eclipse IDE to run Eclipse installer. It will install Eclipse. Here you can see your Java bin path, and this is how Eclipse is installed in your system. Launch Eclipse and select Option Eclipse for Java Developer on this screen. At time of Eclipse launch, we have to select Workspace on Eclipse. Now to create project, click on New, and then go to Java Project. Enter project name, and click on Next and Finish. Now our Java project is ready. Once our Java project is ready, we can see various folder created with project. Now right-click on SRC folder and create one package where we will save our all class files. On package created, right-click and create one Java class. Enter any name and click on check aux to add main method in our class to run class and click Save. Now our Java class is ready to use. Our next step is to write and run simple Java code. Let's type system.out.println under main method and enter string in double quotes to see as output on console. Save the class and right-click in class and select options Run as Java application. Our class has been run successfully and we can see output on console. Congratulations on your first Java program. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Please hit like and subscribe for more videos.